Hey guys, in this video I'll be reviewing Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. As usual, let's start off with the display. It's got a 5.99-inch display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080, which means it's a full HD plus panel. It has got really good viewing angles and that 18:9 aspect ratio for that immersive viewing experience. Asus claims that this phone has a 5.5-inch footprint, which makes the phone compact, but for some reason it doesn't fit in my hand. Again, it's not a deal breaker, but I thought it's worth mentioning. Next, when it comes to software, the Zenfone Max Pro M1 is running Zen UI, but this is near stock Android and it comes with Oreo right out of the box. So compared to the state of most Android phones out there, that's something to be grateful for. Even though Asus calls it Zen UI, it feels like stock Android, which makes the performance of this phone so smooth. In terms of battery, the Zenfone Max Pro M1 has 5000 mAh battery and it lasted me close to 2 days. You can even push it to last further if you're not a power user. And this phone weighs 180 grams, which is mighty impressive considering the fact that it has got a 5000 mAh battery inside. Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has face unlock feature. It works really well as long as there's ample amount of light, but that's the problem. Let's say you're trying to use the face unlock in a dark environment. It simply doesn't work unless you turn the brightness all the way up, and the fingerprint scanner on the back is very inconsistent during my testing. It does unlock the phone and works well, but it feels like there's a delay in unlocking the phone whenever I place my finger on the scanner. Hopefully this will be fixed. When it comes to gaming performance, it plays almost any game with little to no frame drops, even on the highest settings. I've made a separate video showing the gaming performance, make sure you check it out. In terms of audio performance, the speakers are loud and clear, and Asus has included this accessory called Maxbox, which amplifies the sound. My only concern is that it can only be used in portrait mode. It would be really useful if they figured out a way to do it in landscape mode, as that's how most people consume content and it would be very beneficial.
Do you ever practice your goal celebrations in the mirror at home? Hello Jesse, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
You sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
Is your full name Jesse Ellis Lingard?
Yes.
Are you going to lie to me today?
No,
You're going to lie to me today?
I will not.
Are you sweating?
My palms are sweating.
Yeah, I can see. I've got a sweat all over the table. You have to pay for that. Do you ever cry at films?
Yeah. The film Click.
The Adam Sandler film? The one about the remote?
Yeah.
Made you cry?
Trust me, you can cry at that.
Do you have a music guilty pleasure?
Girls just want to have fun. Cindy Love. Yeah.
I've made a separate video testing out how effective Maxbox is, so make sure you check it out. Next, when it comes to camera, this is the area where the Zenfone Max Pro M1 struggles a little, especially in low lighting conditions. These are some of the indoor shots. As you can see, there's some noise that's visible in most pictures, and also there were instances where the camera struggles to focus, like in the image that you're looking at. When it comes to selfie camera, it's a familiar story. As long as there's ample amount of light, you do get good shots, but in low light the camera struggles. Yes, the front facing flash helps, but that's only activated in dark environments. So it's safe to say Asus compromised a little in the camera department. So to conclude this video, should you buy the Zenfone Max Pro M1? Yes, absolutely. I understand that this isn't the perfect phone, but if you consider the amount of value that this phone provides for the price that you're paying, it's totally worth it. So that's pretty much it for the review, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.